Hello, little learners. Today we're going on an alphabet safari with amazing animal friends. Ready to roar, hop, and sing? Let's go. Alligator. Splash. Who's this? A smiling alligator. Let's count with him. 1, 2, 3, S-N-A-P. Can you chomp your arms like an alligator? Says, B. Bunny, bunny, hop, hop. A fluffy. Bunny is collecting carrot letters. Can you wiggle your nose and pick up a carrot? B says, bunny. C. Cheetah. Zoom! Here comes. Speedy cheetah chasing sea clouds. Run in place with me. C says AKK, like quick paws on the ground. D. Dolphin. Splish, splash. Dolphin dances with bubble letters. Trace it in the air with your fin. Dia. Sounds like dripping drops DDD. A. No. Elephant. Stomp, stomp. And elephant stacks blocks. Balance one on your trunk. B-O-O-L. Fox. Sly fox. Tiptoes through the forest finding hidden letters. Can you spot the F in these leaves? F says, fuck fox. G. Gorilla. Beat your chest. Like gorilla. He drums sounds. Can you drum your H? Roll, roll. Spiky. Hedgehog curls over mushrooms. Make a tiny ball like him. Iguana. Icy iguana. Blows warm air on sculptures. Puff your cheeks and blow. J. Jellyfish. Glow, glow. Jellyfish pulses J. Wiggle your arms like tentacles, says JJ Jiggle. K. Cool. ZZZ koala snoozes on K leaves. Snore with me. K says KK koala, quietly so we don't wake him. L. Lion. Baby lion practices his roar. Roar loud with your claws out. M. Monkey. Oh. Monkey finds them in banana shapes. Swing your arms and giggle. M says I'm M monkey. N. Narwhal. N. Narwhal. Sparkle. Narwhal draws in with its unicorn horn. Swirl your finger in the air. O. Owl. Hello. Wise owl turns stars into a make big round owl eyes. O says, oh. P. Penguin. Waddle, waddle. Penguin slides on snow. Slide on your belly like him. P says pee penguin. Key quail. Peep peep. Mama quail's K eggs hatch. Tap your toes like cracking eggs. Key says W-Q quail. R. Raccoon. Clatter clatter. Raccoon builds her from trash. Rub your tummy like you found treasure. R says a raccoon. S. Sloth. Slutto sloth stretches for his fruit. Reach up and yawn like him. S says is S sloth. T. Tiger. Pounce. Tiger cub chases shadows. Leap like a tiger. T says T tiger. Ooh, umbrella bird. Drip drop. Bird catches raindrops. Open your arms like an umbrella. Says, umbrella. V. Vulture. Soar, soar. Vulture spots of in canyon shadows. Flap your wings wide. V says V. Vultures. W. Whale. Spout. Whale sprays water arcs. Take a deep whale breath. U says WW whale. X. X-ray fish. Glow. Fish swims through see-through X, make an X with your arms. X says cakes, K's X-rays. Yeah, yak. Fluff, fluff. Shaggy yak dragsy yarn. Shake your hair like a yak. Z, zebra. Gallop, gallop. Zebra stripes magically turn into Z's. Shake your hips to make zigzags like zebra. Z says zebra, can you buzz like a sleepy bee? Wow, we met animals from A to Z. Let's sing the abscess while moving like them. Alligator chomp, bunny hop, cheetah zoom all the way to yak's yarn. High five for an amazing adventure.